The biggest ChatGPT update just happened, and I can't wait to show you what it is. Alright, first, as promised in my last video, I said I was giving away 30 days free to The Yard, which is our VIP community where we have live weekly coaching calls, the most up-to-date strategies, and a VIP chat where you can connect with like-minded individuals. The winner of last video is JT Hoops. Send me a DM on Instagram and I'll give you free VIP access for a month. For those who missed out, I'm doing another giveaway to The Yard. All you have to do is comment on this video and follow me on Instagram. Simple enough. All right, let's get to the fun part. Did you know that ChatGPT can now understand and interpret images? Man, I've been waiting for this to happen. And well, it happened. And it's mind-blowing. ChatGPT calls this feature image inputs. So you basically upload an image to chat, ask about objects in the images, get descriptions about the images. It's fantastic. I'm gonna find two random products. One will be used for a short form description and the other will use a long form description on. So here's the process. We're gonna find these two products, upload them to ChatGPT, put in my prompt, which I'll share with you guys, and you'll be the judge of how well it writes these descriptions. All right, product number one. So this is men's golf shoes. This is something that I would run image ads on. The product is very self-explanatory. So it doesn't require any long form description, just short form is totally fine. Few sentences, some bullet points, and we're done. All right, so now we're in ChatGPT. I'm going to upload just a simple drag and drop of that image of the golf shoes, and we're gonna give it a prompt. So I've done this so many times already, the responses came out just excellent. But because I'm recording now, it probably won't, but we'll see. So we're gonna give it a prompt. Write a short 2-sentence product description about these golf shoes. And keep in mind, you do need ChatGPT 4 for this to work. It's not gonna work with a regular 3.5. Okay, what do we have here? Experience a perfect fusion of style and function with these sleek golf shoes designed with a premium white leather upper and a robust gum-colored sole for optimal grip on the course. So what's great is it's recognizing even the materials. I'd probably change this premium white suede, something like that. I'm not sure if this is like just standard leather. It's picking up on the gum-colored sole over here, which is amazing. And it's even adding in that functionality that it's for optimal grip on the course. Crafted for both comfort and performance, these shoes are a smart choice for the discerning golfer who doesn't want to compromise on elegance or playability. I'd probably remove elegance and just keep it at playability. Let's head over to the second product. Now we have product number 2. This product, it's a cat bed. Generally requires a video. It needs some convincing for the customer. It's something that I would run a video ad on, and this would require a long form description. So let's go ahead and take this image and plug it right into ChatGPT. Okay, here we are in ChatGPT. I'm gonna upload this cat bed in here. So this time the prompt will be a bit different. We're gonna say, write a long form product description using the AIDA model, which is attention, interest, desire, and action. It's like a typical copywriting model that people use. Using the AIDA model for this anti-anxiety cat bed. It's also just a common marketing angle that people use for these beds. So let's see what we get. Are you looking for a sanctuary that your feline friend can call their own? Look no further than our revolutionary cat bed, luxury, serenity. So it'll build some interest over here, diving into how cats are like humans, what they're looking for. Even talks about the fur coat here, how it mimics the fur coat. Raised rim provides head and neck support. Guys, we're literally just, this is all I uploaded, and I just said it's cat bed. Look at what it's spitting out here. Soft filling, offers joint and muscle pain relief. If you don't like this product description, you will for sure still get ideas from it, I'll tell you that. Anti-anxiety fluffy fabric, eases tension, gives a sense of security. Machine washable, ensuring your pet's nesting place is clean, hygienic, free of odors. And here's the action. Make the choice today to improve your cat's well-being. Again, it's great with these marketing angles. Order now to give your pet the gift of ultimate comfort and tranquility. Don't wait to transform your cat's life. I mean, this is great. All we did was upload this image, and this is what we got out of it. And something that I wanted to mention is make sure you write product description instead of just description. Otherwise, it'll phrase it differently. You could do the same thing with a product title. And also for the copywriting, you can give chat a tone. You could tell it to write in a fun or witty or luxurious tone. And as mentioned, you do need ChatGPT 4 for this to work. It is $20 a month. It depends what you're using it for. For me, this is well worth the investment. Now, if you guys do have someone working for you, you can create an account like this for them, or you can use Chat's team plan and create user accounts. I hope this information was helpful to you guys, and I can finally stop seeing all those stores with horrible copywriting. You know who you are. If you're interested in learning about dropshipping using only image ads, feel free to join our community called The Yard. We have members of all levels from all over the world. We have people making their first sales to members clearing hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. I'll drop the link below. My name is Alex Gelfand. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.